Yeah, finna take y'all back. If y'all even remember. Yes, it's me, it's Colt the MC, bringing freshness to the mic like Febreze. You know I came to please, like a summer breeze, finna light up the night like a Christmas tree. What's the word around town? I likes to get down, especially in a busy city like H-Town. Finna hop on 610, the merry-go-round, 412s in the caddy, so I'm easily found. I'm not for trouble, but I'm dangerous. I see hawks all around me like I'm dangerous. I don't hang with the ones who get tangled up. That ain't gon' fly, I'll leave you with the angel dust. I don't do drugs, but I play with the sticky. That's another pun for the ones who never get me. Girls still hitting my line up for the quickie, but one's enough for me so they can miss me. Do that there, do that there, do it. Do that there, do that there, do it. Say that there, say that there, say it. Say that there, say that there, yo, say it. It's the old school flow, just a jock you're knocking. Way before we had guns, we was sockin' bopping. Only sentence that we did was legitimate jotting, and story time was the only time we was plotting. Started jackets and Reeboks was popping, and all our grandmas had us spoiled rotten. The only scotch we knew was hopscotch, and back when handshakes was the only pop that was locking. But nowadays it's different, everybody is thoughtin'. Cavalry is dead like the bones in a coffin. True love is something that you don't see often. Marriage is severe cause divorce is more common. What happened to the life that we used to know? Back when mommies and daddies was inseparable. Back when there was truly a definition to goals. I guess the past really is unspeakable. Do that there, do that there, do it. Do that there, do that there, do it. Say that there, say that there, say it. Say that there, say that there, say it.